Listing products on Amazon FBA involves a few systematic steps to ensure your products are properly cataloged and ready for fulfillment. Here's how to do it. Create a seller account. Sign up for a professional seller account on Amazon Seller Central if you haven't already. Prepare product information. Gather all necessary product information, including product name, brand, category, description, bullet points, images, price, and SKU. Add the product. Log into Seller Central. Go to the Inventory tab and click on Add a Product. If your product is already sold on Amazon, search for it using its name or UPC and select the correct listing. If it's a new product, click Create a New Product Listing. Choose Fulfillment by Amazon. For new products, select the category that best fits your product. Fill in all required details such as title, brand, manufacturer, and product ID. Under the Offer tab, set your price and condition. Under the Fulfillment Channel section, choose I want Amazon to ship and provide customer service for my items if they sell. Prepare products for FBA. Once listed, go to Manage Inventory. Select the products you want to send to FBA and click on Send or Replenish Inventory. Follow the instructions to create a shipping plan, which includes labeling your products with Amazon's FNSKU barcodes and preparing them for shipment according to Amazon's guidelines. Ship your inventory. Pack your products securely. Print the shipping labels provided by Amazon and ship your inventory to the designated Amazon Fulfillment Center.